Bore da! Pawb yn hapus? Pawb yn ffres?
Dim fresh.
Pawb-
fresh.
Dwi'n ffres, dwi'n hapus, yn barod i fynd.
Cymraeg yn my pen.
Ydy e, ardderchog.
No.
Better for it to be in your pen.
Dim mwy Gymraeg yn my pen.
Bydde, mae gyd, you're incubating, it's ready. Mae'n barod i
I'm
ddod
ready to hatch,
allan.
please.
Ie, ti'n barod, ti'n barod. Reit te, can fach i ddechrau'r diwrnod. Ie, can. Sing la 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 la, a little song to start the day. Ardderchog. Iawn te, dych chi'n cofio? Remember yesterday we were talking about toes, they were called feet fingers, bysa try, da iawn. So, finger,
This.
da iawn. A nice and long, bis. Da iawn.
How do you remember this, Suzanne? I can't. This doesn't go in for me.
Because I do look over it after the lesson. The
Oh,
new words I just look over. I cannot lie.
Thumb. Imagine you hurt your thumb. Bowed.
Suzanne.
Ow. Ow. Everybody go, ow.
Bowed.
Bowed. Ow. Bowed. Ow. Bowed. Bowed.
Toss gonna be.
Right. Y gair Cymraeg am to move. Felly... Oh, chi wedi gweld?
I've no idea.
Have you... Never Have you hidden my song sheet? He's hidden my song sheet. Nid i ni
Detention field.
Okay,
He wants to be expelled.
dosbarth, mutiny in the class.
Siarad yn...
Mutiny in the class. Mae Neville Southall wedi cuddio, he's hidden my song sheets.
That's naughty, isn't it?
I know nothing.
Don't worry, I've got a file with about another 100 choices for it.
She'll make us dance now.
Right te. Dyma chi. So,
Diolch.
codi
Mrs. Parry.
to get up, neu to stand up. A beth ydy to sit down?
Eisteddwch.
Eistedd, da iawn. Eisteddwch is the command, da iawn. So what would the command be for codi if I tell you, get up?
Codiwch.
Codwch, da iawn. Sit down.
Eisteddwch.
Da iawn.
Diolch.
Dyna ni.
So, shut up.
Abad wedi
Cael ei
damio.
gyd. It's not good. Caiwch.
Caiwch ceg if you're telling someone. O'r gorau, reit, felly, yma, mae gennym ni un bys, un bawd yn symud. Un bys, un bawd yn symud. Un bys, un bawd yn symud. A ni awn adref yn llon. And we go home happy. A ni awn adref yn llon.
Eto?
A ni awn adref yn llon. Eto. A ni awn adref yn llon. Iawn? Right. So, ar ôl un bys, un bawd, da ni'n deud un fraich. Iawn? So, everybody, fel hyn? Un fraich. One arm. Un fraich. One arm, iawn. Un fraich. Right. Felly, cofiwch wiglo bys, bawd, fraich, okay?
Remember to wiggle.
1, 2, yn union. 1, 2, 3. Un bys, un bawd yn symud. Un bys, un bawd yn symud. Un bys, un bawd yn symud. A ni awn adref yn llon. Un bys, un bawd, un fraich yn symud. Un bys, un bawd, un fraich yn symud. Un bys, un bawd, un fraich yn symud. Da ni awn adref yn llon. Right? Dwi'n gwybod? Codwch. Codwch.
Come on. Come on, yeah. Come on, up you go. Come on, wait.
Come on, guys. Come on now.
The branches. Wouldn't it be good if we all did a nev?
Yeah.
We'd have no show then,
We've
babe.
done a nev, we should do a nev.
Yeah. Should we all do that?
We'd have no show.
Don't be a sheep, be a shepherd.
Iawn te. Un fraich, un goes, iawn? Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud, un bys sy'n bawd yn symud, un bys sy'n bawd yn symud, a ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich, un symud. Sorry, un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich, and then goes, okay?
Fraich, is it?
Fraich, iawn?
Fraich.
Fraich, iawn? Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich yn goes yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich yn goes yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd, un fraich yn goes yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Ar ôl un goes, we're going to do un...
Watch your microphones, everyone.
Un goes. You must remember that for your football.
Un, gwyliwch eich microphones iawn, un slap ar y frest. Un slap ar y frest. Un slap ar y frest. Un slap ar y O'r gorau, iawn. Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud. Da ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud. Da ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Ww, da iawn, right, okay.
Da iawn.
Reit te. Barod? Nesa? Un slap ar y frest, un... Oh, hang on. You're already standing. Un codi ac eistedd yn symud. Un codi ac eistedd. Get up and sit.
Can you just turn it round to the side?
Un eistedd a codi... Oh no, I can't do it there.
Ac i lawr ac i fyny.
Ac un codi ac eistedd yn symud.
We can do a jump.
Should we sit and then get up for the pod?
No, because how are we going to do our... Oh, yeah.
we're sitting.
Okay, da iawn. Eistedd.
You mean to start it all?
Ie, dechrau. But gwnewch yn siŵr bod y bwrdd so you can ardderchog. A gwyliwch eich te a'ch coffi. Iawn. O'r gorau, reit. Un, dau, tri. Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn codi ac eistedd yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn codi ac eistedd yn symud. Un bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn codi ac eistedd yn symud. A ni iawn adref yn llon. Dim mwy, dim mwy. Dim mwy Gymraeg! Un codi a throi yn symud. Codi a throi. Troi, 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 troi. Turn. Troi, 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 troi. But what happens after and?
Codi a throi.
Codi a throi, remember? Where's it gone? TCP. TCP. Codi a throi. Iawn. Troi. Troi. Turn. Codi a throi. Te a choffi. Coffi a the. Troi a throi. Troi a throi a throi.
What are you saying? We don't say throi.
You say throi here
Instead of
because
troi,
because
because of the
instead of
C.
troi because it follows this little word and. Yeah. Okay. Chi'n barod?
Barod!
Right, ffwrdd ni. Un bus sy'n bawd yn symud, un bus sy'n bawd yn symud, un bus sy'n bawd yn symud, a ni am adrodd yn llon. Un bus sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud, un bus sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud, un bus sy'n bawd yn fraich yn symud, a ni am adrodd yn llon. Un bus sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud, un bus sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud, un bus sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn symud, a ni am adrodd yn llon. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest yn symud. A ni yn adrodd yn llon. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest a codi yn oes yn symud. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest a codi yn oes yn symud. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest a codi yn oes yn symud. A ni yn adrodd yn llon. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest a codi yn oes yn symud. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest a codi yn oes yn symud. In bys sy'n bawd yn fraich yn goes yn slap ar y brest a codi yn oes yn symud. A ni yn adrodd yn llon.
Wow.
Good job, we didn't do a workout.
Can there? There is a thing called brain gym. Dach chi wedi clywed am brain gym? Achos mae eich ymenydd, brain, mewn dwy hanner. Yeah? You've got left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. Un yn greadigol iawn, very creative, a'r llall yn ymarferol iawn, very logical, yn gwneud dda iawn am mathemateg yn pethau fel yna. Ac yn y canol, os dych chi, if you do things in brain gym, like, that go across the body, pethau fel hyn, then you strengthen this in the middle, which means you can switch from one thing to another. So you can switch from language, ti'n gallu defnyddio fo I siarad iaith. So you use the formulas from your left hemisphere, the very mathematical kind of linear stuff.
In drama college, in learning lines, if you actually cross over
You do this.
and learning songs, you actually cross the
helps you.
pathways and it
It's like any muscle. You can strengthen the corpus callosum. You can strengthen this muscle to help all those neurons fire. So you do this, and other things you can do. Have a go at rhif 8, number 8 on the side. Rhif 8 on the side, dim problem. And then 2 figure 8s. Da iawn. Oh, hyfryd. Yn fawr. Ac yn fach iawn, yn fach. Rhif 8, bach. Yn fawr. Ac yn fach. Da iawn. Ardderchog. So little things like that help you. But so does getting oxygen.
Why are you learning the lines, you mean?
Yeah,
Do
you do this.
God, I'm going to try that on the train.
Yeah.
Work out any
Ond,
I see someone-
ond oxygen i'r ymenydd, dim bach o sing-song. Great start to the diwrnod.
Great start to the
Reit. Allai just gael 2 minutes o just bach.
Yeah.
Hot
Take
flush.
5.
Take 2. O'r gore. Yma. Mae gen I ddarn o bapur gwag. Blanc, okay? Gwag. Empty. Gwag, iawn. Felly, dwi isio llenwi'r bwrdd gwyn. I want to fill this darn o bapur gyda geiriau. Words. Any words. Big words, geiriau mawr, geiriau bach, geiriau neis, geiriau hyll, geiriau dych chi'n hoffi, geiriau dych chi'n gofio. Any words you remember. Peidiwch â edrych yn eich ffeil. Dwi just eisiau chi, peidiwch â meddwl peidiwch am meddwl, just siarad. So just taflu, fel pebble dasho, geiriau. Throw words at me, any words, a dwi'n mynd i le. Cregyn Sglein.
Arbennig.
Cregyn Sgleiniog. Arbennig. Brilliant, amazing, special. Estyn, to extend.
Cwrel. Cwrel.
Cwrel, da iawn.
Hardd.
Hardd. Moethus. Da iawn.
Monydd.
Mynydd, da iawn.
Gofyn.
Sam.
Wel, hardd.
Hardd.
Glas.
Dianc.
Dianc.
Dioded.
Diodydd.
Long danfor.
Drink. Llong danfor.
Yfed.
Submarine, da iawn. Yfed.
Golidog.
Godidog.
Llys.
Golygfeydd, da iawn.
Drws y llys.
Hapus.
Drws y llys. Gorsedd, ie?
Brenin Madawydan.
O gofau, da iawn.
Toreithio.
Torreithio.
Brenin.
Abundant. Brenin.
Manawydan.
Manawydan.
Gobeithio. There you go. There's one point.
Roedd.
Gobeithio.
Gardd.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Gardd.
Gardd. Nefyd.
Gobeithio.
Gobeithio.
O, chwarae.
Siapiau.
Bendigen.
Chwarae.
Siapiau.
It's
Shape.
not the story though, is it?
Lliwiau.
Lliwiau, da iawn.
Melltigedig, that's it.
Melltigedig.
Cnocio.
Cnocio.
Siapiau.
Tanfor. Da
Weithio.
iawn.
Rhyw.
Weithio.
Rhyw.
Weithio ar y llaw.
Rhoed.
Gweithio.
No, gweithio.
Gweithio.
Make your handwork.
O, gweithio.
Rhoed. Where?
Or is it a
Treulio.
Treulio. Treulio amser. Spend time.
Cofiwch.
Cofiwch. Da iawn.
Adeiladau.
Adeiladu. Da iawn.
Cofiwch.
Tenau.
Dramatic.
Manawydan.
Manawydan.
Sheipiau.
Bryn. Hill. Da iawn.
Sheipiau.
Ie. Beth gofiadwy. Da iawn.
Waelod y môr.
Gwaelod y môr.
What was Princess?
Tywysoges.
The dog is called Tawisogus now.
O, really.
Penog.
Heno.
Penog.
O, penog.
Penwythnos.
Trigolion.
Penwythnos.
Prynhanda.
What's that
Trigolion.
more
I lawr.
Ragli.
Dydd.
Ragli.
Cerddor.
A
Da iawn.
fydd.
Rhaglen.
Teithiau.
O, cystadleuaeth. O, Jenna.
Trigolion. A fi fydd.
Cystadleuaeth. Da iawn, cystadleuaeth. Maes, da iawn, maes heli.
Uchel.
Uchel, da iawn.
Bore.
Bore, da iawn. Cwch.
maith yna. Amser yn maith yna. Un tro.
O, un tro. Amser.
Cychwyn.
Maith.
Ano.
Mochyn.
Cychwyn.
Mochyn.
Mochyn.
Tedi.
Pink mochyn.
Tedi.
Cegin.
Wiwer.
Cyw.
Melin.
Iar.
Gwirion.
Melin.
Gwirion.
Wiwer.
Gwirion.
Awr.
Te.
Gwestiwn gwirion.
Awr.
Pen ysgwydda croes a troen, croes a troen. Ceg a glista, trwynag.
Blodyn.
Trwyn. Blodyn.
Dinas.
Clistiau.
Teirnas.
Fraich. Da iawn.
Clistiau.
Clistiau.
Chwigon.
Electronic.
Chwech.
Another one.
Electronic nef.
No, she's just said it.
Chwich bath.
Chwych.
Gwych. Da iawn.
Dramatic.
Dramatic.
Ie. Canol.
A cefn. A blaen.
Cefn.
Hella. A gosa.
Fraich.
Gorsedd.
Eistedd.
What was
Ffenestri.
Look, he's all coming out now.
Ffenestri. Moethus.
Gwely.
Gwely.
Calon.
Llydan. Calon.
Any old word.
Any
Bryn.
old word.
Dwfn.
Lucky, lucky, lucky.
I lawr, i lawr, i lawr. I fyny ac i fyny ac i fyny.
Ymlacio.
Ymlacio.
Ffrindiau.
Bawd, bawd.
Bawd.
Rhan Gwynedd.
Bore da bawd.
Peintio.
Bore da.
Ore da.
Diolch.
Bawd.
Colomen.
Oren.
Colomen.
Rhaglen teledu.
Oren. Teledu. Nos. Fory.
Electronic.
Menyn. Electronig.
Gwyrdd.
Mel
Sgôr.
Cennau. I ffôn.
Glas.
Thunder and lightning.
Gwynedd.
Cennau.
Gwynedd.
Me.
Fingers. Gwynedd.
Tarannau.
Gwynedd.
Da iawn. Gwynedd. Da iawn. Nails.
Peintio. Gwynedd.
Peintio.
Dynion.
Dynion.
Tynilo. Tynilo.
Merched.
Tynilo, the massage.
Bara glaw.
O, Telino.
Telino.
Bara glaw.
Da iawn. Bwrw glaw.
Darllen, yeah. Oh, Nev's got
Môr.
Oh, stop punching me, woman.
Raglen.
Dachlan.
It's just,
Darllen.
it doesn't shout out.
Ysbryd. Ysbryd.
Ysbryd.
One word bit from the back.
Teledu.
Teledu.
Iwerddon.
Iwerddon.
Atgofiadau. Atgofiadau. Dyna.
Okay. A hwtler oedd hwnna.
Anfonia.
O'r gore. Felly, pan gyrhaeddach chi, when you arrived, only, how many days have we been here?
3 weeks.
So really, dydd Iau, dydy dydd Iau ddim yn cyfri. Thursday doesn't really count, we had like a little intro hour session. Dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, dydd Sul,
So you had 3 days.
dydd Llun. So today's our 5th day, is it?
Ofalus.
5 days. Ofalus!
Ofalus.
Pumed diwrnod, today's the 5th day. So we've had 4 days, yeah? 4 awr, 4 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours, iawn. Ac edrychwch, ac oedden nhw'n dal I ddod, they were still coming. And we're not talking about little words like bach, coch, mawr, hello, bore da, but words like tywysoges, bythgofiadwy, cregyn sgleiniog, siapiau, lliwiau, godidog, golygfeidd. Chi'n gweld? So mae'r geiriau yma, a lots of words, fluent Welsh speakers probably wouldn't know or probably wouldn't use on a...
In the cafe this morning, we asked, what did we ask for? What's the Welsh word for seahorse? And the girl didn't know it.
Didn't know. Really?
Ceffyl.
Amor.
Ceffyl amor.
Yeah.
Mwyn.
And what is it? Morfarch. Exactly, exactly. Felly, pawb fel hyn. Da iawn fi.
Da iawn fi.
Tap somebody else. Da iawn ti.
Da iawn ti.
Da iawn fi.
Da iawn fi.
Da iawn ti.
Da iawn ti.
Ar y rheswm. OK, right. Ydy,
Dim da iawn di.
Just dim.
ydy rhain gynnach chi? Have you got these? Ydy rhain gynnach chi yn eich ffeils? Ein berfau, our action words.
The real one.
A glista cig e croes y troen.
Oh,
You've lost it, though.
yeah. I've got the one where you
Iawn.
Oh, I remember I was studying hard last night. I think I left it in the bedroom.
left in.
Happened. Thank you.
O'r gore, reit. Ar eich traed, a dewch yma, iawn te.
Anafeiliad.
Iawn.
Dwi eisiau I chi ddewis gair. Pawb I ddewis gair. Everybody choose a word o fan hyn. One of our verbs, one of our action words, iawn? Preferably un dych chi ddim yn gwybod. One you're not 100% sure of, yeah? So rhywbeth. Felly, beth ydy?
Gwrando.
Gwrando.
Gweini.
Gweini. So gwrando, I'm listening to the gwrando Duke of York. Gweini, dwi'n gweini mewn caffe. I'm showing you the way to serve food. Gweini, iawn. Dymuno.
I'm not sure about that.
To wish. Dymuno. Good, yeah, good pick on you. Dymuno.
Adeiladu.
Adeiladu ti bach. I got this lad in to build something for me, Diane. Gofyn. Gofyn. To ask. Iawn. Eto? Gofyn. Gofyn, da iawn. To ask.
Edrych allan.
Edrych allan. Edrych allan. To look out. Da iawn.
Dianc.
Dianc. To escape. Dianc.
Darllen.
Darllen. Darllen. To read. Ardderchog. Iawn te. Penguin. I ti. Morlo. I ti. Oh, no, it's okay. I ti. Sorry. Achos dych chi'n taflu nôl ymlaen. Morlo. I ti. Morlo.
No,
Oh, seal, yeah.
That is a seal.
Yeah, so seal. Literally, mor. See. Morlo, a sea calf. Yeah, sea calf. Yeah, morlo. Llew. Rawr. Llew. Crank i ti. Crank. Iawn. Ydy pawb yn gwybod I gair? Rhowch y papur ar y llawr. A ar ôl 3, taflu'r tedi, gweiddi'r gair. Taflu'r tedi, gweiddi'r gair. Iawn? Eich gair chi, your word.
All right.
Yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, ffwrwch chi. Gweiddi. Gweiddi.
Sorry.
Gweiddi. So don't close your mouth. Oh. Domino. Yeah. Okay, what do you say?
I'm doing it now.
Dore, ardderchog ac eisteddwch. Diolch yn fawr iawn, iawn, iawn.
What's it mean?
Okie dokie 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 dokie. So we've got a long list. Oh, it's quite long. Okie dokie. Long list. Rhestr hir or action words here. And we've got some extra ones like to move, symud, to turn, to get up, eistedd, codi. So imagine you get up in the morning and you've had, you cooked fish last night and it smells really coddy in the house. Yeah.
Stinking means smelly.
Drowsyd. Coddy, get up, yeah? Right, so, how do we say I am?
Dwi.
Da iawn.
Dwi codi.
Da iawn. What do we need to stick dwi and codi together? We need a little bit of dwi'n. Da iawn.
Getting up.
Benna, Zagar, have you been taking your tabledi Cymraeg bore yma? Go girl!
Codi liver oil.
Codi
Codi
liver oil. Da iawn, John. Llongyfarchiadau. Dwi'n codi. Dwi'n. How do we say, how are you, how are you? Sut wyt ti? Da iawn.
So DT is for the politeness, is it?
That's when you know them.
It's when you know them, yeah. Yell. Well. Iawn.
Bell.
Roiti, oiti. Iawn.
Roiti.
Roi'n dy garu di.
Oh, God, don't.
Right.
Roi'n dy garu di.
He is or she is? Mae e, or in North Wales. O. Da iawn. Mae hi. Da iawn. Then we are, okay. Should we do South Walian? Yeah?
Yeah.
All the time, every time.
My key. I never get these writing, dunning, noon and all that.
We're going to do them now, baby. You'll get them.
We did them a couple of days ago, but I still haven't got them.
Have you done them with Johan, yeah?
Yeah.
Briefly.
Right. So we've got you are, or are you, right? With T. And what's the other form?
He.
Yeah, I don't get all this.
I am. And they are. Mine.
We did
Right.
it with dice the other day. Was it
Oh,
yesterday?
okay. Oh, you've done it with dice.
And it
Okay.
was a good way, actually.
Okay, oh, then help. Right, okay. So, strangely enough, I've got a song that will really, 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 really help you, iawn. You don't have to sing, Nev. The only thing dwi'n gofyn yn neis, right, this will really help. Don't sing. Please don't sing.
Don't worry, I won't.
Just the actions. Just the actions.
Come on, baby. You
Okay,
can do it.
right.
This is just so annoying.
Dwi.
Doing.
Everybody give me the actions.
Doing.
Dwi.
Doing.
Doing or doing?
Dwi.
Doing.
Dwi. Rwy ti.
Roiti.
Mae e.
Mae.
Mae hi.
Mae.
Brill. Eto. Dwi. Rwy ti. Mae e. Mae hi. Brilliant. Dynnu. Dynnu. Iawn? Ni. So think about all our, everybody lift your knees up in the air. Our knees, iawn? Dynnu. Ni. Our knees, okay? All of us. Our. Yeah. Dynnu. Dynnu. Dych chi? Iawn? So, rwy ti, you are one person. Ti, one person. Dych chi, all of you. Iawn? Lots of people. Mae nhw. Mae nhw. Da iawn, once again. They are. I'll give you the translations now, right. Dwi. Rwy ti. Mae e. Mae hi. Dynnu. Dych chi. Mae nhw. Brilliant. Right. I'll just go through the meanings. So we've got I am. I do. I'll type one of these out for you actually. I need to do the alphabet for you as well, don't I?
Yeah.
You are, nay, you do. He is, or he does. She is,
Then right.
she does. We are, we do. You are, you do. They are, they do. So, for example, iawn, with the glue, gyda'r glud yn... Oh, hello.
Okay.
Gyda'r glud, with the glue. So, I'm getting up. So, I'm getting up and I get up. Maen nhw run fath. Run fath yn Gymraeg, exactly the same. I'm getting up. I get up, iawn? So present continuous, I'm getting up, and just present tense, I get up. Run fath, same. Dwi'n codi. Much easier in Welsh. Lot house.
English.
No.
No,
Much
Welsh.
easier in Welsh.
Yeah,
Or is it much
'cause-
easier than?
Oh, yeah, na. Achos yn Gymraeg, you only have that one
Yeah, yeah.
version, and the context tells you whether it's continuous or fel na. Right, wyt ti, so you are getting up. Ti. Codi, da iawn. And when it's a statement, we put the R in, and when it's a question, we drop it off. Yeah? So you are getting up. Rwy ti'n codi. And then if you want to change it to a question, again, much English, you have to go, you are getting up. Question, are you getting up? In Welsh, you don't. Newid eich llais. Change your voice, that's all you do. Are you getting up? Wyt ti'n codi? So the same here. You are getting up, iawn. Dych chi'n codi. Are you getting up? Brilliant. So you know it's a question from the intonation in your voice. Yeah?
Wow.
Iawn.
Dych chi'n codi? So, are you dancing?
Rwyt ti'n dansio?
Wyt ti'n dansio? Using chi?
Wyt is the question.
Dych chi'n dansio? Are you asking? How do you say are you asking? Gofyn. Gofyn bywyd moethus. Are you dancing?
Rwyt ti'n cofio?
Gofyn? Yeah?
Oh, no, I'm not asking the question then.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you asking?
oh yeah, I asked.
Wyt ti'n gofyn? Dych chi'n gofyn? Right, mae e, so he is, so he's getting up.
Mae
Codi. She's getting up, or she gets up. Codi. We're getting up. Dyn ni'n codi. You're getting up. And they're getting up.
Mae ni'n codi.
Da iawn. They are getting up, or they get up, iawn? Right, ar eich traed. Don't say.
Come on now.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Eistedd a neud yr actions.
Yeah, good idea.
Ddim props. Iawn te. Goes like this. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Okay, very easy tune. I made it up this morning.
Did it?
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Iawn? And again. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi.
You have to go up with you because it's a bit low.
Wait, is it low? See, I am an alto, I think.
You've got air on your chest, haven't you?
Yeah. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Oh, we've changed the tune.
No, we've just gone high.
Okay, so this is how it goes, Jan. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. But we're going to go slowly. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Mae nhw, and again. So we'll just do the first three, iawn? I am, you are, he is, she is.
Is that the same tune?
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. We are changing tune.
Well, you did it. You said the same notes.
On you heard and then
Or the
Okay.
acoustic version.
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Na na, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Really concentrate on the actions, don't worry about the Welsh. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Da iawn. So once again, I am, you are, he is, she is. We are, you are, they are. You can't even do it in English.
Just my brain
going on.
I
There's
know.
3 things going on.
It's like
Yeah,
that.
that's what. Oh, exactly.
I can't do this anymore.
So the idea is, if you're concentrating really hard on the actions, the Welsh is going into your subconscious. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so focus on the
Okay. So
action.
focus on the action.
Actions.
Right. In, dau, tri.
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw.
Hey, you've got that so wrong then.
And again, a geto.
Watching out, copying out wrong as well.
Copy Nia.
Cop edrych arna i, babi.
She's the teacher.
Un, dau, tri.
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw.
And again.
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw.
Round in a circle.
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw.
And again.
Dwi, roi ti, mae e, mae hi. Dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw.
Da iawn. Ac eisteddwch. Eisteddwch. Reit te. Nefa Sian. Sam a Suzanne.
Never said that.
John a Benas. a chi. Right.
We do, yeah. But that's what it's about, repetition.
See if we can get some of that.
It's about repetition.
Defnyddiwch hwn, use this, right? So, da chi'n gynta de, ie, allwch chi fynd at y bwrdd. Gynta, da chi'n taflu'r dis. O, I, dim problem. Dwi. What do we need after the dwi to stick it to the action word? N. And then, your partner will fire either an English word to escape, to build, to read at you, or a Welsh one. A dych chi'n dweud, so think, dwi'n meddwl. Iawn? Dwi'n meddwl. Taflu y person nesa. So you go like this. I eto. To build. Dwi'n adeiladu. Every time you do this, I need you to go, dwi'n, mae en, dyn ni'n, mae nhw'n, dych chi'n, and so on. Iawn? Hapus? Os dych chi eisiau mynd at y bwrdd, mae'n iawn. If it's easy to go by the table, iawn. Os dych chi eisiau eistedd ar y llawr, from a sit on the floor and do it, dim probs, just...
Sicrhau.
Oh, the one word I don't know.
See, you channeled that to me. To ensure.
Noon, to make sure.
Yeah, to
make
sure.
They made sure. Is that right?
Yeah, and Gymraeg.
Oh.
Sicrhau. Say, use a new.
Noon sicrhau.
Mine.
Oh, my noon sicrhau. Okay.
Diolch. Fi nawr.
Star.
Dwi'n cychwyn.
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 Cychwyn. Da iawn.
Cychwyn. Mwynhau.
Mae hi mwynhau.
Mae hi'n.
Mae hi'n mwynhau.
Diolch. Da iawn.
Dych chi'n.
Right, let me see. To spend time. So you've got that.
Hang on.
I've got to give you a clue.
Give me a clue, yeah.
Begins with T.
Dych chi'n treulio.
There you go. See? I'm just a good teacher.
Amazing. So imagine, like, I spend time on the bike trail. Treulio.
I spend time on the bike. Dych chi'n treulio. Okay, you go next.
I'm so happy.
I am happy. Okay. To work.
To work, I don't know.
You do.
Gweithio.
Gweithio.
So that'd be...
You should have let me give you a clue. We've been giving each other clues.
Sorry, babe, I'm spoiling. Dwi'n spoilio'ch game chi. I'll just go. Just leave. Just fynd home.
Just go.
Yeah, yn union.
Get your coat.
Gweithio. So what's your thing? So,
So that'd be gweithio, won't it?
do the sign. Doing gweithio. And he is working hard today. I just like you to know. Give me a name. Give me a word. Give me a word. Give me a word.
Right. What if I don't... To go.
God.
To go. Sounds like what between your ears.
My head.
Between your ears, your head, yeah. What's inside your head?
My brain.
Yeah, what's in the way for brain?
What's it begin with?
Ma.
Mine hay.
No, ends in D.
I don't know this at all. This is to go. My head. My brain. My brain.
What else is there?
What? My eye? What do you mean? What's between my head?
What's between your ears and inside your head? I know it's a brain. What's another name for brain? What do you think with your brain? What else is
brain. Blood.
it? Oh, So that's his mind, isn't it?
Mind.
See?
Oh my god, that was awful. And do you say mind, is it, or mind? So I would
Mind
say
and
dych chi'n mynd. Dych chi'n mynd.
Right te, guys. Iawn te. Yma, dwi wedi rhoi just chydig bach, just little translation exercises. Ymarferion cyfieithu. Cyfieithu. Iaith, cariad at iaith. Language, iaith. Cyfieithu, to translate. Cyf is when you make something equal. So when you make two languages equal, you translate. Cyfieithu, cyfieithu, iaith, cyfieithu. Right, sgwrs, chat.
Conversation.
Ie, yn union. Felly,
Bairo.
yma, dwi wedi rhoi 2 daflen i chi, 2 sheets, okay? Oedd John yn gofyn i fi diwrnod o blaen, was asking me about a geiriau bach. You know the little words that you kind of go, oh, it stops me from carrying on with my sentence because I want to be able to say in, from, to, therefore, but. Those. So mae gen I daflen fach. It's just like a little crib sheet for you here of the little words, iawn? So, dych chi'n clywed fi yn dweud trwy'r amser. Felly. Therefore. So, felly, okay? So, felly is a handy one. Wedyn. Then, I went to a wedding, yeah? So, afterwards, neu then. Ond, iawn. Hefyd. Also, to. Nesa. Right. Nesa, then you mynd I da. Okay, and then we've got some prepositions here. So we place things. Ar. Yeah? So mae'r blat ar y bwrdd. Yeah? Ar y bwrdd o dan y gadair. Under, like o dan y môr. Yeah?
Gadair.
O dan, gadair.
Chair.
Yeah, so mae'r blat o dan y gadair.
Ar y bwrdd, why wouldn't you change it to ffwrdd?
Na, because bwrdd is masculine. Ar, on. Yn, in. Iawn, in. And then in the is either yn
Yn y môr.
yn y môr.
O ar y môr.
O ar y môr. Yn y llyn.
Dim
O
ar.
ar y llyn. Exactly. So, yn meaning in. Is the. Or is the.
And you've used ar before vowel words.
Exactly. So, anything. Do you know, it was only about a year ago that I realised, 2 years maybe, that I realised W and Y aren't vowels in English.
No.
No. Unbelievable. I taught English to people for a year and I didn't know W and Y weren't vowels. Because they are in Welsh. So vowels in Welsh, A, E, I, O, I, U, E. Everybody? A, E, I, O, I, U, E.
Do the E again.
E.
Yn y gogledd?
So the apple, rafal, because it's more difficult to say rafal, rafal. The elephant.
Elephant.
Yr elephant. Yr elephant mawr a'r kangaroo I mewn i'r archan nhw.
God, your kids must love you. They're probably speaking by the 6 months, aren't they?
Probably singing right fucking 6 months. They come out singing. The igloo. Yr igloo, da iawn. The caves. Yr ogofau. The table.
Y bwrddiau.
Y bwrdd.
Fai bwrddiau.
Y bwrdd. Byrddau, more than one. Tables. Iawn, so...
Can I just ask you the vowels again?
Yeah.
On the end, I'm really confused at what U, W and Y is.
Sound like?
Yeah.
Okay, so... I. In North Wales, it's a very guttural sound. In South Wales, it's softer. It's more like an E.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is, I see, right.
And then W is an oo. You've got an oo, missing.
Ooh.
Ooh, on the end.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Dim problem. Right, okay. Yr, mewn, in a. Mewn taxi. Mewn ambulance. Iawn, in a.
Mewn.
And then these words, or, meaning from, to, or, from the. See, so you've got and then use apostrophe R. The 3 versions of the. Apostrophe R if you've got something, if you've got a vowel before it. So, or, shop, from the shop.
So mynd i'r siop.
Mynd i'r shop, because it's a vowel. Ear. Because you don't want to say i'r shop. You just say i'r shop. Iawn? I'r môr. Ardderchog. I just thought I'd give it to you because it's like a useful one to have. Iawn? Felly.
Therefore. So why couldn't you have given this to me when I asked for it 3 days ago?
Well, I was just a bit busy, really. Iawn.
Busy preparing for your lessons.
Nesa. Just gyda'ch partner, dipyn, ydyn ni'n iawn am amser, boed?
Quarter to 11.
Quarter i. Okay, great. Yeah, have a go gyda'ch partner yn sydyn. You don't have to write the Welsh in, but just have a go translating them and then we'll go through them. Awn ni trwyddyn nhw gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Wrth gwrs.
Thanks, Beb.
So it's Dwi'n Estyn, is it?
Yeah, dwi'n extend. I am extend. I extend. Oh wait, hang on. Dwi estyn is I extend.
So I
And
extend.
then dwi'n estyn is I'm extending.
Don't you have to add something to the Estyn at the end?
No, but that's because the un is the un, and that's the ing of extending.
Today, so heno, dwi'n gwrando a canu yn y dosbarth a heddiw's today. So heddiw, dwi'n gwrando a canu yn y dosbarth a heno, dyn ni'n mynd darllen a stori a cysgu. Oh my god! The hell! Can't believe I just done that.
Iawn, tegang ardderchog. Reit, dewch yn ôl i'r cylch. Dewch yn ôl i'r cylch. Cylch, circle, ie. Mewn i'r cylch cariad. The circle of love. Mewn i'r cylch ardderchog. Iawn te. Na, ar y cadeiriau. Ar y gader, mae'n iawn. Wel, ardderchog. So, pan gyrhaeddoch chi yma, when you arrived here, pan gyrhaeddoch chi yma, 4-5 diwrnod yn ôl, after just 16 hours of lessons, did you think you would know how to translate? I like looking out of the fine, wide windows in the morning and seeing the stupendous views, the dramatic mountains, the dark forests and the big caves. Did you?
Never.
Right, let's see if you can do it. Gyda'n gilydd, let's do it, gyda'n gilydd. I like. Dwi'n hoffi, or you can use lico or licio.
Oh no, mwynhau's enjoy.
You can use that as well, mwynhau's enjoy. So hoffi or licio, lico, like.
Hoffi, I would prefer.
Yeah. Dwi'n hoffi. Looking out.
Edrych allan. Gweld. Edrych allan. Oh, of course.
Dwi'n hoffi edrych allan. Of the. Out of the. Or from the. Literally, da iawn. Or from the. Fine, wide windows.
Who knows what fine wide is?
Wide?
Braf. There we go.
Braf, there you are. It doesn't matter, because it's in the script as llydan braf, but you could do braf, llydan, doesn't matter. In the morning?
Yn y bore.
Yn y bore.
Yn y bore.
And?
A.
Seeing? To see?
Gweld.
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 The stupendous views?
Golygfeydd godidol.
Da iawn. The. Golyg.
Godidol.
Do the movements with me.
The dramatic mountains.
Mynyddiau dramatig.
Y mynyddoedd.
Mynyddoedd.
Y mynyddoedd.
Dramatig.
Dramatic.
Mynyddoedd.
The dark forest.
Tywod?
Remember forest?
Oh, yes.
Coedwigoedd. So in the script, it's actually dark caves, isn't it? But you can say dark forests, because you know dark, and you know caves, and you know forests, so you can switch them round. Coedwigoedd.
Tywod.
And the...
Ara.
Da iawn. The big caves. Big caves.
O gofal mawr.
No, just ar. So,
So what's A? A-R? Ar. What's that?
ar
Yeah.
is on.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Right, gyda'n gilydd, together, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi'n hoffi edrych allan o'r ffenestri llydan braf yn y bore a gweld golygfeydd godidol, y mynyddoedd dramatig, y coedwigoedd tywyll a'r gofal mawr ardderchog. So, we won't go through every translation now because we haven't got amser, sim amser ni. Ond, nid dwi wedi checio, mae bob un ohonych chi wedi wneud yn ardderchog. You've done so well. So beth sydd gennych chi ydy building blocks, okay? So these are all about building blocks. And then, once you have those tools to start building your sentences, you can just create sentences yourself. You just keep adding the bits. And sometimes, at the moment, they may be gair Saesneg, little English word that creeps in the middle, but that's okay, because you've got your structure, and the words you know in Gymraeg, use them. So maybe, heddiw, just heddiw, cyn I chi siarad, gyda unrhyw un, with anyone, gyda'ch gilydd, with each other, gyda'r criw, unrhyw un, just stopiwch a meddwl, is there any part of this sentence I could say in Gymraeg? Could I actually start this sentence by saying, dwi'n... Neu, ydych chi'n gofyn question? Are you asking somebody a question? Wyt ti'n... Even if it's just the beginning, neu just y diwedd, just the end, dwedwch e yn Gymraeg. So just make that commitment to yourself heddiw that you're just going to pause, saib, stopio. Is there anything of this sentence I could say yn Gymraeg? And it's a good feeling when it comes out. I just did that. And then you do it again. And you do it again. And then you're like, hang on. I didn't siarad Cymraeg yesterday. A heddiw, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. Because, fel dych chi'n cofio, ar ddechrau'r wers, your pen, your ymenydd, brains, maen nhw'n llawn. Everyone keeps telling me, you've been telling me lots today. Oh, my head is so full. Mae'n llawn ardderchog. That's what we want. We don't want empty, gwag. Dyn ni ddim eisiau papur blank fel na. This is what we want. Ants in your head, okay? But of those ants, you can start letting it settle. It's going to settle now, yeah? Mae'n dechrau setlo. Start building your structures. Hapus?
Hapus iawn.
Da iawn chi. Right. I orffen. To finish. Ar eich traed.
Come on, it's the end.
Sori, dwi'n gwybod bod chi angen mynd I syrffyd.
Just for the end.
Actions. Pwysig. Just the actions are important. Okay? Pwysig. Important. Pwysig. Iawn? So, I am. What's the action? Dwi. You are. What's the action?
Rwyt.
He is. She is. We are.
We are.
Dyn ni.
You are.
Dach chi.
They are.
Noon.
Mine noon. So they are, if you're having trouble with
It
that,
does help with the
they
tune,
are
actually.
going at midday, at noon. Yeah, they are going at noon. My noon. They're going at noon. Might help, might not. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Dwi'n rhoi ti'n mae mae hi. Dyn ni'n dach chi mae nhw.
Ag eto.
Dwi'n rhoi ti'n mae hi. Dyn ni'n dach chi mae nhw. Dwi'n rhoi ti'n mae hi. Dyn ni'n dach chi mae nhw.
Dwy waith eto, twice again.
Dwi'n rhoi ti'n mae hi. Dyn ni'n dach chi mae nhw.
Ag eto.
Dwi'n rhoi ti'n mae hi. Dyn ni'n dach chi mae nhw.